How to deal with peer pressure? Number 1. Say no like you mean it. The most basic way to respond to peer pressure is to just say no. Number 2. Avoid places and situations where you feel uncomfortable. Number 3. Choose positive friends. When dealing with peer pressure, start by choosing friends that won't pressurize you to do things. Your friends should accept you the way you are. And number 4. Get yourself busy with healthy activities. And last, number 5, get support from others. Talk to a trusted person, talk to your parents, and attend therapy if you're struggling and nothing seems to help. You can contact MG Your Story Matters.